Welcome back to Mani Adventures. Today's a very special day. ¿Qué día soy, Pa?
Día de los Reyes.
So today's King's Day, and we made a rosca, a homemade rosca. So I hope you guys watch this video, enjoy, learn the recipe, and you can enjoy it with your family and learn this tradition that we have in Mexico that's great. ¿Ya está lista, Pa?
Yeah. Look at it. Va.
The holiday season isn't over just yet. January 6th is El Día de los Reyes Magos, the day when the three wise men followed a shiny star to Bethlehem and brought gifts for baby Jesus. Families celebrate by enjoying a rosca, a heavenly spongy pastry shaped like a crown. My dad is a baker, so of course we are making our own. Check out the description box below for our special recipe. To make the dough, you will need 1 tablespoon of orange zest, 12 grams of yeast, 235 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 4 eggs, 135 grams of unsalted butter, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and half a cup of milk. Begin by warming up the milk. Add in the yeast, a tablespoon of sugar, and a tablespoon of flour. Mix it all up, and after 5 minutes,
Esto va a subir, va a ser espuma.
next, mix the flour and sugar together, and then add in the orange zest, eggs, yeast mixture, vanilla extract, and butter. Mix all these ingredients together at medium speed for about 10 minutes. Then knead the dough for 5 minutes more.
Ya está. ¿Sí?
¿Cómo sabe?
No se pone las manos.
¿Va a salir buena? Place the dough in a bowl, cover it and let it rise for 2 hours or until it doubles in size. In the meantime, you can start working on the toppings. For the sugar paste, you will need 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of shortening, and 5 tablespoons of wheat flour. Mix everything together to form a small ball of dough.
¿Está bien mi masita?
Very nice. Está muy
Okay,
bonito.
so we have the little dough ready. This one is going to go for the top of the rosca. So we're gonna save this.
You will be using it later.
Okay, so now we're going to be making the candied fruit that goes on top of the rosca for the decor. So those little red and green slices that it has. I'm going to be using some grapefruit to do that today. Also, we're going to put some cherries and we're going to add some figs. The decoration that it actually has is called acitron, which is made out of candied cactus, biznaga. It's really difficult to find. I went to several stores and could not find it, but I found out that you could use some grapefruit or you can also use some watermelon, use the outer peel as substitute. So that's what we're doing today. Another thing to note is that the biznaga plant is endangered, so it's a good thing that we're using other things as substitute to help out the environment.
Start by carefully peeling 2 grapefruits, then cut them in half
Ahora echo el jugo aquí.
and squeeze out all the juice.
So you take this red stuff out, save everything in a bowl, and you can use that to drink in a smoothie or whatever you want to do with it. This we're going to cut, and this is what we're going to use for the candied fruit.
Now cut the pieces into strips like this. 2 grapefruits is enough to decorate 2 roscas. From here, add the strips to some boiling water.
The hot water is going to take away the bitterness and the sourness that
Too much water. Echaste mucha
grapefruit
agua.
is. Sí, pero ahorita se la voy a quitar.
After 10 minutes, rinse the water and repeat this process 2 more times. In another pan, heat 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of water, and some cinnamon. Once it boils, add it to the grapefruit strips. Continue stirring for 10 minutes. Next, divide the strips into 3 sections. Add some red and green food coloring in separate bowls and add them in.
Y ya tenemos el amarillo, el verde y el rojo.
The dough you initially made should now be ready. Form it into an oval shape and then coat it with an egg for a shiny golden touch. You can decorate it as you wish using the candied fruit, figs, cherries, and the small sugar paste dough you saved earlier. Last but not least, sprinkle some sugar on top and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. At last, our majestic rosca is ready. The sweet citrus smell of a rosca brings back many fond memories. The night before, children leave shoes next to the front door, awaiting gifts from Los Reyes Magos. How adorable is it that they also leave food and water for their camels? When the rosca is fresh out of the oven, it's time to add in my favorite part, a figurine of sweet baby Jesus. My mom gave me this one from her nativity set. It's placed inside the rosca to symbolize when baby Jesus was hidden from King Harold. The oval shape represents God's endless love, and the colorful candied fruit are the jewels of a crown. It's finally time to gather your family, bring the chocolatito caliente, and let's feast. As the tradition goes, every person cuts their own piece. Choose wisely, though.
Muchacho pelón, dime dónde está tu rincón. Aquí, allá o acá o acá. I don't care.
I think my dad just invented that song. Not sure that's part of the tradition. If you get baby Jesus in your slice, then congratulations. You become the padrino o madrina, which means godparent, and you have to make tamales on February 2nd for Candlemas, el Día de la Candelaria.
Oh my God! Oh baby! Valió madre. Eso, Marilu.
Gee, thanks Dad. And also thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Have fun making your own rosca, and if you haven't already subscribed, hit the red button for more adventures soon. Dad, ¿nos puede decir cuáles son los ingredientes para nuestros amigos que hablan español?
Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Ángel Landeros. Les voy a demostrar cómo se hace una rosca mexicana. Se ocupa harina, leche, azúcar, levadura de polvo, vainilla, cáscara de naranja, huevos y mantequilla. Aquí se la vamos a demostrar cuando esté ya cocinada. Muy amables, gracias. Adiós.
Una vez más.
Ya venga, tu madre, ya tuvo. Ya me tienes hasta la madre. Yo sé que una pura vez. A tu madre.
Más respeto para mi madre, por favor.
Welcome back to Mighty Adventures. Today is January 6th, which means... ¿Qué día es hoy?
Día de los Santos Reyes.
So, welcome back to Mighty Adventures. Today's a very special day.
Día de los Santos Reyes. ¡Feliz Día de los Reyes!
Okay, yo voy a decir welcome.